Kaseng Voice of the People Party kalakre ruban suthi Rilum Garo. Urakam sang mau nong yalam jongka NPP narong Syrngiew constituency Sau Garo Hill. Ubadai ru menteri Kapuli Putih ula kuburu bakajingwan suthi jongka Voice of the People Party Rilum Garo kalabu ya kajing kapakrau ya ka party NPP. Bad ula keren aim sim da kaboong kamlong kepala piang ban syusen syarah la kajong Thied ni kajat penriu ula benrap ru da kaboong baka Voice of the People Party kala suthu ya kajing long jong kadur kadar jong kajing itnat jong kajela mekalaya ula ong ru bakal lalong kajing sir ya ka NPP halor kajing yok suthi jong ka Voice of the People Party Rilum Garo.
The momentum the web have created in the last industry has really maybe keep them energized, ignited, and it is good only. But they're expanding their wings to the Garo. Yes, of course, we know as a political party will be challenged for us, NPP also, that we know, because I've come to know many of the Congress leaders, TMC leaders is also in talks to join from Garo's side in the BPP. I heard so many leaders. So maybe, of course, if they really work well, will be really challenge for us to also that we also understand. But we will decide.